Hello everyone, this is Jim from Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on the last trading day of the week, and also today is the 1st of April, first day of April trading, and first trading day of the second quarter. That's why it's important. All right, let's talk about some news first, then we'll just go ahead with our charts. We have received non-farm payroll data and unemployment rate today, this afternoon, in US. So as expected, the recovery mode is going on in US market, labor market. At the same time, unemployment is low and declining. Right now, it's pre-COVID levels. So that means a tight market is happening in US. This is what Fed is desiring, because they say we don't want to disrupt the labor markets, so our rate hikes will be essential and then don't make any damage to labor markets. So it's right, they are rising interest rate, and at the same time not affecting the market so much, but as you can see, labor market is not getting affected. That's the perfect environment for future rises. That's the all right. Let's start with our first chart. As you can see, we are on dollar index. In dollar index, I just show these level. As you can see, this is like a important level for dollar index, and from this level is just making another rise. And on the last 4 hour chart and on the last part candle, as you can see, it's rising. Its expectation of rate hike is keeping dollar index higher level in the coming days. Probably we will just see this is rising again with future talks, future monetary policy talks by analysts, and at the same time Fed officials. When we hear them, we will just see this is rising again, and it will create some pressure on counterparts like euro dollar and GBP USD, and Japanese yen will be affected from this rise. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
Our second chart is gold. As you can see here, gold is just trying to go higher because the ceasefire talks between Russia and Ukraine didn't end up well, and this is creating risky environment for other assets. People are just going to safe havens. This morning, as I have told earlier, Ukraine 2 helicopters just attack Russian soil. And an important note, like a kind of important note, this is the first attack to Russian soil since World War II. That's important. It will definitely escalate the tensions, and when it happens, we will see more room in gold and silver. That's why it's important. Dollar index will make pressure on gold prices, but at the same time, war environment will just make investors shy, and they will just fearful, so they will just go to safe havens. That's our prediction for the next days. If we don't see any ceasefire agreement, not only talks, I'm just mentioning a talk, not talk, an agreement, signed paper. If that doesn't happen, we will see high levels of gold. Let's look at oil prices. All right, oil prices are on decline. Normally, like on wartime scenario, like it should go higher, and probably it will go higher as well. But right now, as you can see here, it is just on decline some, still so close to testing $100 level. US 100 million barrels sales from SPRs each day for the next 6 months is important. It will just help to offset the lack of Russian oil and gas. That's why it's just declining again. But at the same time, these reserves, it's not unlimited. As far as they cannot put back and if they just go lower, then there will be pressure and bullish pressure on oil prices, and these levels may be with us for a long time. And if Putin just say that we want the payments of Russian oil in ruble as well, if we just hear that, then we will definitely see higher levels of oil. That's, I'm not saying this one is just like it will happen, but it's one of the scenarios spoken in these days. That's why please just be sure, be sure you follow every little news, because it will affect the market severely. Any ceasefire will just keep it down. Any escalation will keep it higher. So short-term buy and sells is good. If you ask me, if it cannot go lower than this level, a buy is a good option. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and we will cover more charts together with you. Have a nice and safe weekend. Bye.